Welcome to Auto In this video, I will show you how to use music and connect Bluetooth headphones with Garmin Venu 4.
1. Add music to your watch. Step 1. Open Garmin Connect on your phone. Step 2. Go to Garmin Devices, Venu 4. Step 3. Choose music source: Spotify, Deezer, Amazon Music, or MP3 files. Step 4. Follow on-screen instructions to sync playlists to your watch. 2. Pair Bluetooth headphones. Step 1. Press the side button. Settings, Music controls. Add new. Step 2. Put your headphones in pairing mode. Step 3. Select your headphones on the watch. Step 4. Confirm pairing. 3. Play music. Press the side button. Music. Select a playlist or song. Control play, pause, skip tracks and volume directly from the watch.